Are you looking for love in all the wrong places? Hey everyone, welcome, and my name is Amanda Gates, and today what we are going to talk about is Feng Shui Bedroom Basics. Now I see all the time these videos and books and random things about how to Feng Shui your bedroom, and all of the things that are listed and all the tips and tricks that are given are fantastic. However, there are some missing ingredients, and it may be why you're not getting results. First and foremost, we've got to take a look at the top 5 disruptors. If you're new to my channel and you don't know what the hell that is, be sure to go below and click the button that says top 5 disruptors. I've got a couple of videos where I talk about this, and it's really important to get this ingredient right. The other thing is that you've got to look at knife edges. You know, if you've got those coming at your bed, desk, or stove, that could affect your energy. Where are your bathrooms showing up? Is your bed in command? What's the overall shape of your house? These design details have to be taken into consideration if you are really trying to get something specific in your life, because those design elements are going to affect your chi. Number 2, you got to get clear about your intentions. So often there's something that we want to manifest in our life, but we're not really clear about what it is that we want. We kind of think about it, but then we're like dogs and squirrels and our attention gets distracted. And then we kind of think about it, so we're scattered, right? So you've got to get clear about your intention. What type of love do you really want? What type of relationship do you want, either with your current spouse or the one that you're trying to draw to you? Get clear about what you want. And the third step that is so important and key is to cultivate your chi. You've got to get your own energy system completely together and completely healthy. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to manifest the good stuff. So what the hell does that mean? You have got to cultivate your chi so that your frequency is vibing high. You've got to get your frequency so that it's fluffy and, it's not in the denseness. A lot of us are in the survival mind, what they call the caveman brain. Those are in the lower 3 chakras. When you're in that really dense energy, it's very hard to manifest because the frequency is really scattered and it's low. You need to get your chi elevated so that you can really work on that intention and bring it to you, draw it to you. And then you've also got to look at those top 5 disruptors. If you get those 3 steps right, now we can start working on the feng shui to get your love life churning and burning like you want to. So what are some things that you can do once you've done those other things to really draw in love to your life? Well, one of the first things that I always recommend in my own design firm is to paint your bedroom door. Paint it an extraordinary color, something like red or pink or yellow or something that you absolutely love. It's a great reminder every time you see it, and it delights your chi. You see that sucker and you are going to light up because it's beautiful and it's different. It's something that you're not expecting, right? The other thing is pay attention to the hallway or the area just outside your bedroom. This is so important. If you've got a lot of clutter there, or it's disorganized, or it's hard to get to your bedroom, that is going to affect your chi. You're going to walk past that and kind of go, meh, right? So we don't want you to have that feeling going into your bedroom. Make it beautiful. Put beautiful artwork. Maybe have an altar there. Just have beautiful things outside so that the approach to your bedroom is absolutely lovely and elevates your chi and gets you excited about love. The other thing is, we were just talking about the top 5 disruptors. Make sure that your bed is in command. That means that you can see the door. And then once you've got all of these elements put in place, have beautiful sheets. Don't have really crappy sheets. I see this a lot too with clients where they have sheets that have holes in them. They're worn out. The elastic band on the fitted sheet is terrible. Have beautiful sheets. The most expensive that you can afford. You don't necessarily have to have matching nightstands, but do have nightstands, have lamps. Try to create the most beautiful space that you can. This is how your chi is going to get elevated, and you're going to be excited about looking for love and drawing it to you, or rekindling the flame with the spouse that you're already with. That's how you're going to get Feng Shui in your bedroom and get the love you deserve. Make sense? All right, everyone. I hope that this video helps you today. My name is Amanda Gates. If you'd like to learn more, head on over to my website at gatesinteriordesign.com. You can also find out more information on my podcast, which is Home Energy Design, and you can find that on iTunes and Stitcher. All right, everyone, trust the vibe because the energy never lies.